Zimbabwean mixed martial arts fighter Themba Gorimbo on Sunday launched a scathing public attack on controversial ZANU-PF-linked entrepreneur Victor Chivayo, warning him to stop what he describes as a persistent online provocation. Zanabina Mashkubranyo Kopangwana Gorimbo knocks out Chivayo in a fiery online clash. Double subscribe or like it on the bell icon. Team Namnamobra Yukamchinsi. Gorimbo took to Facebook to address Chivayo directly, accusing him of bullying Zimbabweans online and seeking attention through public spots. In a strongly worded post, the internationally best fighter made it clear he was not intimidated by wealth or status. Dear Wikinero, I said to you, I ask you to stop these online attacks on me because I will always have a reply to you and you will not like it. Korimbo wrote, you can bully other Zimbabweans and buy them, but not me. The MMA fighter insisted that he does not initiate conflict but will always respond when provoked. So please refrain from the attacking me because it then seems like I attack you first. I only finished and said. Gorimbo also dismissed Chivayo's public displays of wealth, saying, money does not earn automatic respect. I understand you have money, but that's your money, not mine, he wrote, adding that he had no interest in seeing Chivayo dominate his social media space. 2026, I did not want to personally even have to see your face on my timeline. In a pointed jab, Gorimbo accused Chivayo of craving attention while surrounding himself with people who seek financial handouts. I'm not one of those who beg you for money while you beg for attention, he said. The fighter went on to contrast Chivayo with the globally respected business figures, questioning the legitimacy of online grandstanding. Why don't you just be happy with your life? If it is really something you earned, like the likes of real billionaires like Dangote, would you ever see Dangote online searching for celebrities to post him or comment there? Korimbo asked. Why? Because he is too busy working for his dollar. Ndomashikana mudatoka panapa achiatakwa kuna Chivayo. Kuna comment section means of a about kulipa msoro page ichi. So answer subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.